Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two popular drones in the market, the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the Holy Stone GPS drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's start with the Bwine F7GB2 drones. Priced at $619, this drone is perfect for those who want a high-quality flying experience. Bwine F7GB2 drone complies with the FAA Declaration of Compliance, ensuring you can fly it without any legal issues. It features a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, allowing you to capture stunning videos and photos at up to 3,840 by 2,160 resolution. With 50 minutes of flight time provided by two intelligent batteries, you can enjoy extended flying sessions. The low-noise brushless motors and level 6 wind resistance ensure a quieter and more stable flight experience. You can enjoy an extended video transmission range of up to 3 kilometers, 9,800 feet, giving you crisp images and smooth video. The Bwine F7 drone is equipped with intelligent GPS-assisted features, including GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints, making your flying experience more convenient and safe. In case you encounter any issues, Bwine is known for its quick resolution of customer problems, ensuring your satisfaction. Now let's move on to the Holy Stone GPS drone. Priced at $299, this drone offers a lightweight and hassle-free flying experience. Weighing less than 250 grams, the Holy Stone GPS drone does not require FAA or remote ID registration, making it perfect for hassle-free flying in the States. It features a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor, allowing you to capture stunning 3,840 by 2,160p photos and 4K videos. The advanced connection technology of the Holy Stone drone allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, enabling real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. With a control range of up to 10,000 feet and a powerful modular battery supporting 20 minutes of flight, you can explore and capture footage like never before. The Holy Stone GPS drone features precise GPS positioning, ensuring stable flight and a safe return home. It also offers user-friendly features such as beginner mode and optical flow positioning, making it easy for beginners to control. With multiple stunning functions like spiral up, catapult, and one-tap ascension, this drone does the flying and filming for you. Holy Stone continuously upgrades its HS Fly app to enhance the drone's functions and your overall flying experience. Now, let's compare the cameras of these two drones. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with a 4K camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing you to capture high-resolution videos and photos. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone also offers a 4K camera with a wide-angle lens that can be adjusted within 90 degrees. Both drones provide excellent camera capabilities, ensuring you capture stunning footage from the sky. Next, let's compare the battery performance of these drones. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with two intelligent batteries, providing a total flight time of 50 minutes. In comparison, the Holy Stone GPS drone offers a single modular battery that supports 20 minutes of flight. If longer flight time is a priority for you, the Bwine F7GB2 drones might be the better choice. Now, let's talk about the flight features of these drones. The Bwine F7GB2 drones have intelligent GPS-assisted features like GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints, ensuring a safe and convenient flying experience. Similarly, the Holy Stone GPS drone also offers GPS positioning, stable flight, and a safe return home feature. Both drones provide advanced flight features, making your aerial adventures more enjoyable. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two drones. So there you have it, the comparison between the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the Holy Stone GPS drone. If you prioritize longer flight time and extended video transmission range, the Bwine F7GB2 drones might be the ideal choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a lightweight drone that doesn't require FAA registration and offers user-friendly features, the Holy Stone GPS drone is worth considering. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.